Well.
Only today.
Oh. Oh. Jinkies. Yeah, I don't see anything further back in there, but I also, since you found cougar prints, I'm kinda good on that. Yeah. You can go down there if you want to, but I'm good. Yeah, mine isn't either. It's advanced darkness. Yes, you did. You did find kitty prints. You can do that after you give me the car keys. Oop, I almost hit my head. What doing? Oh. Okay. Well, you came. We saw. We leave now.
Does the thought of a kitty in the area spook you?